Hello everyone, welcome to another Exchange 2019 video. My name's Ed. In this video I want to talk about the server component state in Exchange. What I've noticed on the Microsoft forums and other ones like Experts Exchange, etc., is where guys say, for example, POP or IMAP's not working or ActiveSync, etc. And the staff at Microsoft or the people that are helping or answering questions always refer to other items enabled or working in the server component state. So how you would get that on a server is from the management shell, you would type get-server component state, you would specify the server name and press enter, and you can immediately see that everything is pretty much active. I've got two that are inactive here, which is not an issue right now. But for example, if you did have a problem, you could come and have a look here. If there was an issue with one or two of them, like for example EWS or IMAP or POP, for example, you would see it here. So if we had to do the same on my second server, you can see everything is healthy, nothing showing or giving an error. So just that you're aware of how you can check this, it's actually very easy. And obviously it'll be another video to show you how to fix this if it is in a bad state. But for this video we're just going to show you how to actually get the information so you can see at a glance exactly what's happening. Thank you very much for watching.